In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Smartsheet bar graphs. We'll start from a blank dashboard and connect it to a sheet so your bar graph automatically reflects your data. Begin at the Smartsheet homepage. From here, choose Start a new project, program, or process. This opens Smartsheet's Creation Hub where you can use templates tailored to different roles. Templates are great when you want a head start, but to clearly see how charts come together, we'll start from scratch. Choose a new workspace starting point and select Dashboard. A dashboard is where visual elements like charts, metrics, and text live together. Click. Get started to open a blank canvas. Now add your chart. Select. Add widget, then choose chart. A chart doesn't show anything until you connect it to data, so click Add Data. You'll see a chooser where you can search for the source you need or browse through the list of items you have access to. Pick the sheet that contains the information you want to visualize, then confirm with OK. Next, define exactly which part of the sheet feeds your chart. Click and drag to select the range of cells you want to include. A reliable pattern is to place your categories or labels in one column and your numeric values in the column beside it. If you have multiple value columns, you can include them to create grouped bars. When your range looks right, click OK and the initial chart will appear on the dashboard. Let's polish it so it's clear and informative. Update the title to something meaningful and specific like the metric and time frame. Then review the horizontal axis settings. This is where you control the labels for your bars, choose the field that drives your categories, and if available, sort the order so the story is easy to read, alphabetically, by value, or by a custom order in your sheet. If your categories are dates, make sure they're formatted consistently in the source sheet for the cleanest axis. Move to the vertical axis settings to confirm the values being plotted. If you included multiple columns, you can toggle which series are shown, pick between bar and column style, and adjust how the numbers display so units and scales are clear. Keep the range tight enough to highlight differences, but wide enough to avoid clipping your highest values. That's it. You've created a bar graph by building a dashboard, adding a chart widget, connecting it to a sheet, selecting the right range, and refining the title and axes so your data tells a straightforward story.